We all know that every business must have a stunning, easily customizable site to even compete today. But did you know there's something small biz owners care about in regards to their website that's even more crucial than just nice design and customization ability? Hackers have become far more sophisticated in just the last year. AI cyber threats, such as data breaches, hacking attempts, malware attacks, and phishing scams, pose significant risks to your website, your customers' sensitive information, and your reputation. And let's not forget about the legal consequences of being hacked and having data stolen today. Site owners are desperate for customizable yet fully secure sites before even starting online marketing today. This left all website creators with three options until now. Option 1 was to hire a freelancer and pray. With a freelancer, you often need several tries before one delivers a professional, high-converting site that works. After that, there's no security solution, so you just have to cross your fingers and hope you're not a victim of an advanced cybersecurity attack. Option 2 was to use a costly SaaS solution. There are site builder solutions like ClickFunnels and Wix small biz owners are gravitating to, but have you seen the price tag for those services this year? Ouch! It's no wonder most businesses cancel their site subscriptions a year in. Option 3 was to wrestle with WordPress and external security solutions. You can always install WordPress yourself, but that means buying and wrestling with expensive themes, trying different plugins, and more. Plus, WordPress doesn't come with built-in security, so you'll need to invest in a costly security solution in addition to your premium theme and learn to configure it yourself. Super frustrating. As you can tell, there's massive demand for website creation, but only a few agencies are raking in massive site creation profits while others struggle to get started. It's hard to find clients ready to pay right away. Setting up and maintaining premium, customizable sites is time-consuming. Most site builders aren't secure, which requires you to invest in external security solutions. There's tons of competition for just basic site creation now. Even with breakthrough AI tools, setting up a site that works and running a successful agency is hard today. But we've engineered a groundbreaking AI system that solves all these website building and website client getting issues. For the first time, you can let new AI find site clients and create gorgeous, customizable WordPress sites with mass AI content and with smart cybersecurity. Hey, it's Ben Murray and Vivek Gore. We've created an AI website solution that provides an all-in-one package, stunning design, AI rankable content, easy customization, and top-notch security. A platform that empowers entrepreneurs like you and me to build our online presence without compromise. We've recruited a top-notch cybersecurity specialist, spared no expense, and built a website platform that drives leads with mass AI content creation and doesn't require expensive security add-ons to operate. Introducing Pixel Armor AI. Get ready to unleash the power of Pixel Armor AI, the #1 artificial intelligence-powered web design and security system. No more mediocre designs and vulnerable websites. Embrace a world of captivating visuals, high-ranking AI content, and impenetrable security. With its unparalleled flexibility and user-friendly interface, Pixel Armor AI automates the entire website design process. Plus, it finds highly targeted site clients for those wanting to take their business to the next level and run their own lucrative AI agency that's different than anything out there. Pixel Armor AI is so easy to use. 1. Find clients that need websites and generate site audit reports. Enter a keyword to find clients looking for website design and security and find their contact information fast. See how outdated their site is and if they're using WordPress or not. Then run a site audit, showing them vulnerabilities to help get your foot in the door and land them as a potential site client. 2. Close your leads with built-in sending. Send a proven, fully customizable email to your leads with Pixel Armor AI built-in sending solution to land them as a client. Choose to include a link to their site audit report if you want. 3. Create an AI WordPress site with mass content in a click. Enter a keyword and let the site wizard create a stunning, high-converting WordPress site in any niche. Add AI images, AI videos, AI content, and AI SEO optimization to create mass amounts of pages that will rank for long-tail keywords, driving tons of leads to the business. 4. Integrate smart cybersecurity in a click. Then, integrate the smart cybersecurity solution in a click. This protects against the most advanced hacking, malware, phishing, and more threats, while running seamlessly in the background with no experience needed. Now you can sell sites no other agency can create and tap into your own blue ocean AI market for easy profits. So, you've probably heard of Cirque du Soleil, right? They found a blue ocean marketplace of buyers who enjoy the circus but also love theater and grew to billions of dollars in revenue in just a few years. Instead of competing in the saturated theater or circus niche, they stood out and targeted an untapped market for faster growth. Now you can sell to your own gigantic untapped marketplace and stand out by targeting people who need customizable, high-converting websites with AI content and high-end security in one. Differentiate your agency from other AI tools or website services while providing a better experience for more revenue. There's incredible features not seen in any other technology, including built-in website client finder technology. Enter a keyword and uncover targeted leads in any area using PixelArmor AI's Client Finder technology. Find potential clients who are in dire need of security solutions or WordPress site installations. Unleash your agency's growth by searching tons of keywords and niches in any location, fast. Get full contact information and website analysis. Instantly access comprehensive contact information, including their current website, GBP rating, contact information, and more. Identify if a potential client's website is built on WordPress or outdated HTML. This allows you to target clients that need their outdated HTML site upgraded to WordPress, or WordPress sites that lack important security, you can sell them. Or target clients that don't have any website at all. Generate website security lead magnet reports. Quickly generate a report that shows potential vulnerabilities in a client's WordPress site. This lead magnet is your key to bypassing gatekeepers that stop you from speaking with a decision maker of the business. Now you can get your foot in the door and land tons of potential clients faster. Built-in client CRM. Stay on top of your leads and effortlessly manage your client interactions. Organize leads based on niche, track their responses, and optimize your workflow for unparalleled success. No potential client will slip through the cracks as you stay organized and maintain a laser focus on your agency's growth. With PixelArmor AI's Client CRM, forge stronger connections, nurture valuable relationships, and skyrocket your agency's productivity. Send outreach messages with DFY templates. Quickly reach out to potential clients with PixelArmor AI's built-in outreach solution. Craft personalized, visually stunning lead messages from proven-to-convert site lead messages that will convert clients. Track responses and save winning outreach messages as templates to use over and over. Create agency access for clients. Provide your website design and security clients with access accounts, granting them the power to unleash their creativity. Allow your agency clients to install sites and security the way they want to, while you charge for access. AI WordPress Website Generator. Effortlessly create stunning, high-converting WP websites by just clicking a few buttons. Choose a keyword and choose customization options. Preview what your site will look like and host it on any domain. Say goodbye to tedious coding and design work as you generate gorgeous, high-converting sites that will leave your clients speechless. With PixelArmor AI, you can turn your client's vision into reality and propel your agency to new heights of success. One-click demo generator. Instantly impress clients with dynamic website demos. Create captivating website demos within seconds, allowing your clients to visualize the incredible potential of their future site. Save hours of time by getting feedback before site installation happens. Over 3,000 plus niche themes to choose from. Step into a world of endless design possibilities with over 3,000 plus niche themes at your fingertips. Whether sites for brick-and-mortar businesses, affiliate marketers, e-commerce store owners, and more, our gigantic template library has got you covered. Explore the biggest and best collection out there and watch your imagination come to life. AI mass content creation. Fuel your websites with AI-powered content by just entering a keyword. Unlock the ability to generate unique, high-quality content that captivates your audience, boosts conversions, and ranks high in Google search results. Say goodbye to writer's block and hello to content that drives passive leads from WordPress sites all day long. Add AI images. Add stunning, high-quality AI images to wow your visitors. Add a touch of magic and professionalism to every page, captivating your visitors and leaving a lasting impression. Watch as your clients' websites come to life with eye-catching visuals that make them stand out from the crowd. Add AI videos. Add the power of video to your websites with just a click. Seamlessly embed videos anywhere on any page and captivate your audience with dynamic content. Rank in Google video or YouTube video search results with these AI-powered videos. Rank for tons of search terms. Harness the power of AI to propel your clients' online visibility and dominate their competition. Find targeted keywords that relate to any topic to add in headers, metadata, blog posts, word clouds, and more. Plus, leverage local SEO to rank for tons of long-tail local buyer keywords that generate paying leads passively. Site Generation Wizard. Use the Site Generation Wizard to customize every part of your website so it's exactly how you or your client wants. Add social media, services, customize aspects like headers, navigation, banner images, about us information, site layout, and more with point-and-click ease. And even more site features like the ability to add countdown timers in a click. Choose from 50 marketing layouts, ultra-responsive and retina technology. Leverage 40+ awesome shortcodes. Auto-update system. 3 types of Google Maps embeds for local clients. Put local businesses on the map, and more. Then there's the advanced security system to protect your website hassle-free. Our AI cybersecurity system works by simply uploading and turning it on. Everything runs in the background and auto-updates, giving you multiple layers of protection from the most advanced attackers, malware, phishing scams, and more. It's loaded with customizable features like easy upload and management to protect your website without the need for technical expertise. It auto-updates and runs by itself. IP Blocker defends your website by blocking unauthorized IP addresses. Country Blocker controls access to your website based on geographical locations. Hide logins and shield your login page from unauthorized access attempts. Advanced HT Access Hardening fortifies your website against AI attacks and hacking attempts. Advanced DDoS protection safeguards your website from spam and unwanted attacks. Spam protection keeps unwanted spam comments and messages at bay. Plus, add reCAPTCHA, auto-updating, and so much more for modern-day protection. Okay, I know you're anxious to get Pixel Armor AI with all of its incredible features, but we just want to up the ante. That's why we will ensure you get the unlimited commercial license with your investment at no additional charge today. This allows you to sell individual marketing websites for any price you want to multiple businesses. Plus, you're getting the agency license as a special bonus today only. This means clients can log into a Pixel Armor AI account, create and install the site and security solution the way they want, saving even more time. Charge $2,000 plus per month for access with this special technology. But to support the bandwidth for this cloud technology and provide you with world-class support, we have to raise the price every few hours. Plus, Pixel Armor AI will soon be sold for a monthly subscription after the special launch period ends. However, if you buy now, you'll lock in access month to month for a one-time only, super low fee today. Fair warning, this incredible price you see below will disappear soon. If you don't agree that this is the biggest opportunity and Pixel Armor AI is super easy to get results after trying, then you pay nothing. It's that simple. If you try out the software and can't get any clients or can't make mind-blowing websites, just let us know and you'll get a full refund. Yep, you're entitled to a 30-day money-back guarantee if you can't get Pixel Armor AI to succeed right out of the gate. So, grab it now before we switch to a monthly fee at triple the price you're getting it for today. Click the button below to secure your license of Pixel Armor AI before it's too late. Click the Buy Now button below and start creating jaw-dropping websites in just minutes from now.